Hello, my name is Tasha Tulfazira Salsabila, usually called Tasha. I was born into a family with two children. I am the first child. Currently, I live with my parents and younger sister. Speaking of hobbies, I have a hobby of reading books. I am currently studying majoring in government science, Faculty of Social and Political Science at Permita University of Indonesia. I graduated from SMK Negeri 9 Tangerang City. The reason I chose to major in government science is because it has broad career opportunities. I hope that after graduating from Permita University of Indonesia, I can work in the field that I want and provide benefits to people through my knowledge and experience while in college. Thank you.